Yes. Yoruba. Yoruba. 1 minute, please. The promising uses. No doubt that algae are very prompt to show their useful effects, but essentially they show some harmful effects too. That means algal members have beneficial activities. They have beneficial effect on the human or in the biological world. At the same time, they do affect the humankind in form of some the harmful activities. That means beneficial algae are also there and harmful algae are also there. Useful aspects. Human food. So we may wonder how these మన మామూలుగా తెలుగులో అయితే పాచి అని పిలుస్తూ ఉంటాం. దాన్ని తెలుగులో పాచి అని పిలుస్తూ ఉంటాము. దీన్ని నీళ్ళలో పెరిగేటువంటి దాన్ని దీన్ని తింటామా? నీళ్ళలో పెరిగేటువంటి దాన్ని దీన్ని తింటామా? బట్ in majority of the nations like China and Japan, in some of the areas, the algal members are the staple food. They are used in an extensive manner. And different kinds of algae belonging to chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae, rhodophyceae. Ante green algae, brown algae, and red algae and blue-green algae, cyanophyceae members, are eaten by the Japanese people. Most of these algae are marine. Majority of the algae which are used as food are marine. They grow in sea only. Among these, the most important is Asakusa. Asakusa, the name of the food which is prepared from the algal members in Japan. Asakusa. Asakusa and nori. It is also a tagged nori. A preparation made from the Rhodophyceae porphyra tenera. So that is red algae. Porphyra tenera. This red algae is cultivated in shallow waters at various points throughout the Japan on commercial scale. And besides the people of Japan, Pacific coast of the USA, the Dutch East Indies, Burma, and Siam, Borneo, Hawaii, Indochina, and China also uses seaweeds for food. The algae which are used by these countries are Alaria, Chlorella, Chondrus, Nostoc, Codium, Porphyra, and Rhodomenia and Ulva. Rhodomeria and Ulva. And all these are the names of the algal members which are used as food. And at the same time, these algae not only form an important ingredient of soups and salads, but also used for flavoring the meat. Flavoring the meat. Occasionally, their stipes and blades, after frying without salt, are eaten. Their blades means the plant body. The plant body, as it is thalloid one, these blades may be fried and they will be eaten directly without adding any essence to it. In Brazil and also in South American countries, flat colonies of nostoc, flat colonies of nostoc on boiling are used as food. These algae are very rich in proteins, fats, and vitamins. And dried chondrus crispus species, Chondrus crispus, is used in puddings and jellies in Ireland. Japanese fishermen eat sargassum, enervae, Sargassum enervae, an algal member which grows near up to nearly 10 to 20 feet up to at some of the places it may develop grow up to 70 meters, and Alaria and Arhothomus, the laminaria are employed to make common vegetable of Japan called kombu. In Japan, these laminaria and Arhothomus, Alaria and Sargassum, they are used as a common vegetable known to be kombu, Kombu. Chlorella is another important alga cultivated for food in Germany, Japan, and USA. This alga grows very fast and thus many crops can be harvested within a short of time. Further, this algae in comparison to other algae contains more proteins and liquid contents. Not only this, the nutritional value of chlorella can be compared to that of soya beans and spinach. Spinach and soya beans, they have high protein values. In the same manner, the chlorella also show high percentage of the protein values in it. There are three methods of cultivations: harvesting and drying, with change chlorella into foodstuffs. Into foodstuffs. Actually, the Japan country is earning more and more amount the commercial crops by growing these algal commercial crops and exporting these commercial crops in their converted form to different nations, and it is earning more and more over the exporting of fishes and other seafood. అంటే సీ ఫుడ్లో ఉండే ఫిషెస్ ప్రాన్స్ వాటిని ఎగుమతి చేయడం కంటే కూడాను ఈ ఆల్గల్ ఫుడ్స్ని ఆల్గల్ మెటీరియల్ని వాళ్ళ ఫుడ్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి పౌడర్గా ట్యాబ్లెట్స్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేసే వచ్చేటువంటి ఎకానమీ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ ఇన్ జపాన్. ఇన్ స్కాట్లాండ్ రోడోమేనియా palmetto is chewed like tobacco and laminaria consumed as a condiment. The method and process to use these algae as food vary from country to country. Porphyra is grilled on toast to make them tasty. Chlorella and Chlorella and Chenodesmus are used as dried food. And at the same time, the agar agar, which is prepared from Gracilaria. Gracilaria is widely used in making ice creams, jams, and jellies. See, algae species are used as food in several countries and in several forms. Algae species have proteins, vitamins A, B, C, and E, lipids, and minerals. Laminaria species is the important edible seaweed in Japan, and the food item is known to be kombu. Already I told you, is prepared from it. See, the ionori from Monostroma, Asakusa nori from Porphyra are prepared in different countries. Porphyra has 35% of protein, 45% of carbohydrates, vitamin B and C. Nostoc is used as food material in South America. See, these are the what you are observing the picture. They are the candies prepared from algal material. Many seaweeds such as Fucus, Laminaria, Ascophyllum, and Sargassum are used as fodder. They are used as fodder. And Rhodomania palmata is used as food for sheep in Norway. Laminaria, Sacharina, Pelvicia, Ascophyllum, etc. species are used as food for cattle. They are used as food for cattle. Algae in industry. So before that, let us say the last sentence, that is Laminaria, the Saccharina, Pelvicia, Ascophyllum, etc. species, they are used as food for cattle. That is Animal food, fodder in Denmark, France, New Zealand, Norway, and USA are the countries where seaweeds are frequently used as fodder for the sheep, goat, cattle, and poultry. Sheep, goat, cattle, and poultry. Seaweed food fodder is very much nutritious because of its high vitamin and mineral content. Sargassum, laminaria, fucus, rhodomania, ascophyllum, etc. are used as stock feed. Stock feed అంటే పశువుల దాణాగా. Macrocystis is used by the chicken. The milk product produced by these cows that feed such seaweeds is richer in fat content than those feed on conventional fodder. That means the cow which eats the normal grass and other plants, they yield more fatty milk when they are fed with these seaweeds. సముద్రపు ఆహారాన్ని తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇచ్చేటువంటి పాలు ఆవులలో చాలా క్రొవ్వు శాతాన్ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. The fish and animal food. Fishes and their products are used by man in various ways. Fish are one of the important food source for many people who eat fishes. Fishes in turn depend upon various algae for their food. Algae both planktonic and attached forms, which are planktonic means which are free floating in sea and in fresh water, are used as a primary food for the fishes and other aquatic animals. Cladophora, Edagonium, Pithophora, Spirogyra, and Eulothrix are common freshwater algae used by different types of fishes as their food. Marine planktonic diatoms, together with dinoflagellates, are of fundamental biological importance since all marine life depends upon them. Planktonic algae serve as major food of protozoans and crustaceans and fishes. The planktonic algae, that means the free floating algae, it provides food to the protozoans, crustaceans, and fishes. The placing of bamboo bunches in fish algal feed to increase because by doing so, a very large surface becomes available for the growth of the algal epiphytes. So we already know that, as I said in the previous class, algae also live on other plants or animals, epizoic or epiphytic. And commercial products, the production of the usage of algal members at industrial level, their usage at industrial level. So many products of commercial and pharmaceutical importance have been derived from algae. First one is the agar agar. It is chiefly obtained on commercial basis from a seaweed like Hainefeldita, Chondrus, Gelidium, and Gigartina gracilaria. So mainly we are extracting agar agar in majority percentage from Gelidium and gracilaria. Gelidium and gracilaria. Apart from that, and two more species also they yield agar agar, but the importantly Gelidium and gracilaria, they are the main yielders of the agar agar. Japan and Southeast Asia are the main production centers of agar. తెలుగులో అయితే జున్నుగడ్డి అని పిలుస్తారు దీన్ని. జున్నుగడ్డి. The greatest use of agar in food, pharmaceutical and cosmetic industry is very high. In pharmaceutical industry and as food and in cosmetic industry, its usage is more and more. It is used for almost a century as a stiffening agent in culture media. As a stiffening agent in culture media. మామూలుగా whenever we are culturing a tissue culture, whenever we perform a tissue culture, so normally the medium will be liquid medium. We used to prepare a liquid medium, and it may be MS medium like that. And for this, it is necessary to solidify this culture medium. For the solidification of this culture medium, agar agar will be added. Agar agar acts as a solidifying agent, and at the same time it provides the high valued nutrients to the developing tissue. So agar is available in dry purified form. Agar agar may be rehydrated easily, mixed into media before to heat or sterilization and stored as a solid medium in test tubes or flasks. So where the tissue culture is conducted. Different agars vary considerably in their physical properties. Actually, different types of agar agar are prepared, but depending upon the type of species from which the agar is extracted, and their characters may vary and their composition may vary from species to species, species to species. And actually, the solid agar media may be liquefied for use by boiling. On cooling, media containing agar solidify at about 20 degrees centigrade. Chemically, chemically agar is a galactor. Chemically, agar is a galacton. What is agar means? Chemically, it is a galacton, a complex carbohydrate composed of galactose molecules and not subject to breakdown by most bacteria. It is usually used in 1.5 to 3%. Besides solidifying agent, agar is also employed in cosmetics, pharmaceutical, leather, and textile industries. It is also widely used in the preparations of ice creams, jams, jellies, and soups. Jams, jellies, and soups. So 1 minute. చిలకలన్నీ చాలా విచిత్రంగా అరుస్తున్నాయి. Okay, and Cara green. So another important Cara green or carrageenan, and this carrageenan is obtained from the cell walls of Chondrus crispus and Gigartina stellata. Gigartina stellata. Chemically, it is very alike to agar, and it is also called carrageenan or carrageenan. It is found as cell wall polysaccharide esterified with sulfate. This is a product of several seaweeds, but principally Chondrus crispus. Chondrus crispus. Occasionally, Gigartina are also used. It is mainly employed in the preparation of toothpaste. See, so it is very important. Two marks question also. 2 marks question also. See, the carrageen is used to in the preparation of toothpaste, cosmetics, paints, and also utilized in the textile, leather, brewing, and medical industries. It is given to the patients of cough and is used as pharmaceutical emulsifier. Pharmaceutical emulsifiers. That means carrageen is used in stabilization of the emulsions in paints and cosmetics. In alcohol and sugar industry, it is used as a clearing agent. It is used as a clearing agent. It is also utilized in the textile, leather, and brewing industries. So minerals and elements. Minerals and elements. The seaweeds like Eclonia, Icenia, Fucus, and Laminaria are the source of these chemicals. For example, iodine. Iodine is an important component of thyroid hormones, hence tremendously used in chemotherapy of thyroid. It is used in high percentage. Okay. So then alginate. The alginates are salts of alginic acid which occur in the cell walls of the brown algae belonging to the order Laminarialis. Laminarialis. Alginates are non-toxic and viscous and readily form gel useful as thicker, emulsifier and gelling agent. Thickener, emulsifier and gelling agent. Flame-proof fabrics are also prepared from alginates. Flame-proof fabrics are also prepared from alginates. And actually, the alginates or the algins are obtained from ascophyllum and laminaria. And this is used to making waterproof varnishes, dyes, artificial fibers, typewriter rollers, and vulcanization, manufacture of inflammable films, and to control the blood flow during surgery. In India, the fucaceae is the chief source of algin, but various species of Yancholiaceae and Dictyotaceae are also they are also to some extent they are also sources. Okay, and the so already I told you the iodine also extracted from Fucus, Laminaria, and etc. species, and where it plays very important role in the medicinal industry, especially in the chemotherapy of thyroids. In Japan, nearly 5 to 7% of the world production of iodine comes from seaweeds. And then bromine. Seaweeds like Rhodomela and Polysiphonia are used to yield bromine on moderate scale. And mucilase, the miscellaneous minerals and elements, copper, chromium, tool, copper, chromium, cobalt, iron, manganese, molybdenum, and vanadium may also be obtained from seaweeds. And these chemicals are employed as supplement to fodder and fertilizer. Besides these, the brown seaweeds are also contain soda and potash and even ammonia if carefully processed. If carefully processed. And mucilase is employed in the manufacture of felt hats as a stiffening agent and is obtained from carrageen and contrast. Carrageen and contrast. The mucilage obtained by these seaweeds is characterized by the properties of agar-agar and also employed as ingredient in cosmetics, shaving creams, shampoos, and shoe polish. Okay, diatomite. So actually, diatomites, diatoms and their fossilized accumulations called diatomaceous earth are used very much useful in the filtering of crude oils, filtering of crude oils, and filtering of so many industries. This diatomaceous earth is used as a filtering agent and are very useful. There may be about 40 million diatom frustals in a cubic inch, yet a cubic feet of diatomaceous earth may weight as little as 4 kg. Due to their porosity and insolubility, they make as an excellent filter for oils, cleaning solvents, plastic, rubber, and other substances. They are also, as they are diatoms walls are rich in silica, they are used in the preparation of the manufacturing of the silica. Okay, hence they are used in the transportation and storage of dangerous liquids. And they are light in weight, strong, fire proof, and good insulator. Because their character, the diatomaceous earth is usable in the formation of high temperature furnaces. Further, it is also used in wine and paper industries. It is also used in wine and paper industries. And majority of the algae are also used in the soap, alum, and glassware industries and agricultural uses. Many algae increase the waste water holding capacity besides the addition their chemical constitute in the soil, which fertiles the soil. In India, turbinaria is used around palm tree, while as seaweed are used as a compost. Used as compost. The species of Nostoc, Cytonema, Alocera, Lingobi, Microcoleus, and Aphnotheca, Anabina, etc. Most of these can fix atmospheric nitrogen and increase the soil fertility. These Anabina and Aphanotheca and Cytonema and Nostoc, these species of actually they are known to be the blue-green algae. They fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and thereby they fertile the soil. Due to their mucilaginous sheath, they are able to prevent soil erosion by binding the soil particles firmly. Soil particles firmly. So, according to Aryan Singh in 1961, several blue-green algae like Anabina and Alocera and Cylindrospermum, Micrococcales, Nostoc, and Cytonema are promising in reclamation of user land. Reclamation of user land. Alkaline soils which are sterile and are unable for crop production are known as user or ray lands and he perform